Y'all are watching B.R.O Outdoors.
Today we're fishing Lake Wateree with Captain Buster Rush, owner of Rush Fishing Guide Service and co-host to the Roundtree Outdoors channel. Along with myself, I'm Wade Bodyguard Rush. I'm the host of the Roundtree Outdoors channel. We've got a special trip planned for you guys today because today we are fishing with Captain Joe Dennis. He is the host of the Father and Son Outdoors TV show. So let's go fishing. Stand by, guys. We're going to bring you a video.
Good work. Families, Father and Son Outdoors, our mission is to keep these kids excited while, our dads serve our country. A lot of these dads are deployed. Some of them are coming back from deployment. Some of them are just leaving, and some of them are on deployment. We just want to get these kids out in the outdoors, keep them excited. We want to keep that fire building when Dad comes back. What they want to do, they want to go in and share the great outdoors with the family. So.
There you go. Swing him on in.
And let one of these other guys grab that catfish.
All right,
little channel.
Little channel. Come here, buddy. Don't stick. You hear him grunt? He's gonna talk to you. Look at that. That's a channel cat. See the speckles on them there?
So that's your first Wateree fish, right, Halle? All right.
Bring your rod down just a little bit, baby.
A little better fish there.
What you got?
He's been in the hole there. That's a big perch.
Oh, is it a bird?
Oh yeah, that's a eater there.
Oh yeah, that's our thick perch right there now.
Nice. See how thick them suckers
Yeah, way to go, baby. That's what I'm talking about right there now. Roundtree Outdoors would like to thank B&M for supplying the crappie poles for us to use today. And of course, here we have the Driftmaster rod holders that have been on all of Captain Buster's crappie fishing boats since 1993.
Got a fish right here. Oh, that's a good fish there. That's a catfish.
Oh, yep, that was catfish just broke.
Spooled.
Oh, you kidding me? He sure
You
did.
just said that earlier, didn't you?
You get some big ones and they will spool you.
But I got plenty of line.
You got some line? We'll put some line on.
Yeah, it's sitting right there, Joe.
Ooh, did you get any video of that?
Yes, I did. Yes, I did. That's a good whip.
Oh, we got a big white perch here. Just lifted on.
Yeah, you just have to untangle it. Dang, great. Day, what a perch. Here you go, Joe. Huh?
That's perfect.
Lieutenant Matthew Miles and his daughter Halle are fishing with us today. Matthew is owner-operator of Catfish Outdoor Clothing at catfishclothing.com. Catfish with a K, clothing.com.
In the boat.
Keep the rod tip over here.
Right there, baby. You got it. That's it. Keep cranking him, winching him on in here. and Joe up there trying to deal with that mess.
Y'all need the net on that one, you think?
He's a good, and that one's fighting like a crappie. It's pulling like a crappie. Another big perch. Just stand it up now, babe. There you go. He come on. Already break the line again.
That 4 pound
4 pound test.
Whatever it is pulling and stretching the line.
Oh, another one on right here. Oh no, she's got it. That's a big old. That's a nice blue.
Yeah, here we go.
Here you go, Joe. You might want to stick that up under him, keep him from. There's a fish on the orange tip one right there. Yep.
That's a channel. What a poor looking channel right there.
She done spawned out, ain't she?
Yeah. This one here is home. Matt's got one on. Are we moving, Paul? Okay.
Running 1.4.
This, no, that. It must be hooked on a stick.
It's another catfish.
That's probably exactly what. Can I help you with?
No, it's that's not a fish. He just come loose. Yeah, I think that was a floating stick when it was one of them logs. Yeah, he come off. Let's see what you got, Matt.
Another catfish.
Another cat.
Come on. Oh, I don't know. That's a pretty good sized fish.
Oh, that's a big old crappie. That's a big old black crappie.
Put the grit under that and then.
Go.
He was fighting like a catfish.
That's what they'll fool you. There you go, Matt. There you go. Shoot you out, baby.
Oh, yeah.
That's what I'm talking about.
Good gracious. Had me fooled.
Yeah, what was it, last spring when me and you come up here scouting, and that first one that I hooked, I was convinced it was a catfish. I was convinced it was a catfish.
Look at that.
That's what I'm talking about.
Putting these at.
Just put them in that cooler right there in front of it.
Look at that now. That's what we're after. Finally got a target fish. Beautiful fish.
There's another one on that one. I thought he had the line, but I believe that's another fish.
5-pound crappie.
Now wouldn't that be something?
That would be nice. Oh, really, girl? You got him. Oh, nice channel. He's in a,
Yeah, that
You're
girl.
gonna get in a-
All right.
in a cornmeal jacket as soon.
Yeah, a good channel there.
Good size channel.
Yes, sir. Way to go, baby.
Great. Good eats.
That's two good fillets right there now.
You ready to get in a cornmeal jacket? This Halle is hooked up again with either a crappie or a perch.
He's running his lane. No, man.
There you go. Nice perch.
That's a big perch.
That is a big perch.
Nice perch.
There you go, baby. Yeah, you can just keep walking him right on up past that pole,
Keep on.
and then swing him in the boat. There you go.
Hold real quick and I'll get him.
There you go. That's a good
That's
one.
a big perch there, girl.
Yeah, I saw that's the biggest one.
See, I didn't lose him like your daddy did earlier. Nice perch.
Beautiful fish. Way to go, girl.
Daddy always thought that was bait. That's dinner now.
Hey, that's
Nice white
awesome.
perch.
Swing him on in the boat, baby, if you can.
Come on, baby. Bring it to me just a little bit.
That is a good.
Yeah, that's a good perch. Got on the gamecock.
You can take them off? No?
Get ready, folks.
She
It's said she's about to good. get crazy whenever we start hitting
Oh,
these
no.
schools of white Another one perch. smacking the 8. We get into some white perch madness. Stand by.
Plates are short. They'll get you.
Eel just about.
I don't think that one is as big as the one your daddy had.
There you go. That's big.
Go ahead, catch it, Wade.
You go, Funky. Yeah, go ahead and walk on up there with your daddy. Keep reeling in you go. There you go. Big perch.
Got it.
Hey, that's what I'm talking about.
You ready? You take this one off? Here, I'll hold them. You just take it off. Good. You got this. Yeah. But if you report it a little bit. Go. Yeah.
Wade Rush with a big white perch.
Grab him by the tail right here.
Everybody's doing that. Captain Joe gonna catch you another one right quick.
Hey, on your budget, color.
Oh, look at that.
I sure enough.
Carolina hooker's jig.
Carolina hooker's jig right there. That chartreuse and pink. That's the second.
Sure enough. And them perch sure love it.
Nice perch. Out of here. Just about every side. Like another big white perch. We got a bigger fish right there.
Yeah, that's a good one. Oh yeah. If somebody's drag ain't gaining no line. There it goes.
The white bass?
That was a big white perch.
That's a perch.
White bass.
It sure is. That's the first white bass we've seen today.
First white bass. I haven't seen a white bass first.
Yes, sir. That's a big one there now.
Size in years. Caught that on the crack.
I think so.
Oh, you lost yours.
They liking that red crap at the lake.
White bass.
And fast fish are.
Rare fish on Sandy. I think it's on Lake Wateree's got a few white bass. Good eating size. That's your first white bass, isn't it?
Yes, they do. Like all these white colors. She is chewing it up today now.
Catch all the fish. We have a limit by now.
That's a good one there now.
Quit shaking them all.
He was mean
nice
too.
White bass.
Yes, sir.
Good job, he is. Even the perch like them rock pool rattlers.
Yes, they do. That's been a good one today.
It's a lot.
Have slayed the perch today, folks.
Wait a minute, there's one crappie in there.
He's buried somewhere, ain't he? I see him.
He's down there.
Yep.
Oh, and there's one.
And we got a couple of white bass in there too.
Catfish. You name it.
You're doing good, Pumpkin. Doing real good.
About time to pull the largemouth.
Yeah. Dad messing with her putting a fish in her ear.
It is a good one.
Look at the belly.
Oh yeah, holding this to Dad's fish there, Pumpkin.
Oh Lord.
Yeah, there you go. Uh-huh. Look at that.
Mama.
Uh-huh.
Here, look. You're gonna hold it. You're gonna hold it like a, you're so big we can hold it like a bass. Maybe not.
It's a good one.
That orange is on fire.
Yes, it is. Orange is on fire. There's one on the 10-foot right here. On that, the 10-foot one right there, the next one, that one right there.
Walk up to the front with that.
Yeah, she got plenty of room now. Like a boss. Matt, you have been doing some training, hadn't you?
She is a fish slayer.
Yes, she is. She got the drift sock rope. Yeah, she got it all.
Brother, I'm gonna be jealous.
On the game caught.
I mean, like a boss.
Good job. Sure you want to kiss him? Kinda cool right there. You gotta follow fishing, girl.
We done got so busy, Andy had to start catching them.
Oh, that's a
Yeah, look at all the rods in the boat. We had fish everywhere.
you sure you want me to catch it?
I couldn't video. I was having to try to catch fish. Everybody was having to pitch in.
When you caught one, it didn't even have a jig on there. Just kidding.
Yeah, pick them up right down right there, girl. Tell you, with two big old white perch. Now tell me if you're having a good time, girl.
Yes, sir.
If your daddy will leave your fish on, we have a lot of time.
Quit turning them
I
loose.
can't have her out fish me now. Come on, man.
What do you mean? She done did that. What you think,
Are we
Capt
fishing
Buster?
that? No, we got two rods.
I think it's too late to worry about that.
She done put it on him.
She has smoked me.
So what that boy say? What the little boy say? I'm putting it on you.
I'm putting it on now, Granddaddy.
Double.
I bet you Haley catches his, catches hers, and Matthew loses
There,
his.
he releases it.
Cameraman wasn't awake. Got one in the hand, one in the.
One in the hand, one on the hook, and another one in the water.
Good one coming in. There you go.
Yeah, baby.
Good white perch. All that same size.
Bigger fish is food.
Yep.
Yeah.
It's a kissy.
3 on at a time, or is it just 2?
Bro, bring her on.
No, Captain Joe's got one hooked up too.
Hey, whoa. Whoa, watch out, watch out, watch out.
Baby.
Open your bail there, baby. Just flip that bail open.
On your reel?
Reel.
Yeah, just push it up.
There you go. Push
There
it.
you go.
And that'll take the tension off.
All right, Halle. You're going to have to let one go, okay? When I say let one go, it means this one. You won't throw it back. Okay?
They didn't call so many. They're starting to catch and release now.
Yeah.
Let all of them go. Hey guys, had a great time today. Killing some catfish, crappie, white bass, and definitely the perch. Had an awesome time with Bubba Roundtree Outdoors, Father and Son Outdoor TV, Capt Buster Rush, Captain Wade Rush, and good Captain Joe Dennis here. We really appreciate the opportunity to bring us out, supporting service members, taking men and women who serve this country fishing, and taking their kids fishing. It means a lot to us. Thank you very much. Hey, thanks for checking us out today. I'd like to invite you to check out www.catfishclothing.com. That's catfish with a K. We're a charitable organization bringing you the best in fishing apparel at a price point that everybody can afford. Every sale, a piece off the top goes to support nonprofits who use hunting and fishing to positively impact people's lives. Check us out, catfishclothing.com. That's www.catfishclothing.com. Catfish with a K.
Folks, we had a great day with Capt Buster Rush today on Lake Wateree. We appreciate his time with our military families. Father and Son Outdoors, our mission is to keep these kids excited while, you know, our dads serve our country. A lot of these dads are deployed. Some of them are coming back from deployment. Some of them are just leaving, and some of them are on deployment. We just want to get these kids out in the outdoors, keep them excited. We want to keep that fire building when Dad comes back. What they want to do, they want to go in and share the great outdoors with the family. So that's our biggest mission, is to keep these kids excited about the great outdoors, keep them out of trouble. But most important is, while these dads are stationed here in South Carolina, they don't have a lot of family members close by. So we feel like, hey, let's go get these kids, let them have a great time, and we appreciate these really good captains. They put out a day, they could be making $300 or $400. They don't make any money from us, but we do appreciate everything they do, and Capt Buster Rush has helped us out several times, and we appreciate Wade Rush, Bubba Roundtree Outdoors, for being involved with us today. But FatherandSonOutdoorsTV.com, FatherandSonOutdoorsTV at gmail.com.
Well, folks, there you have it. That was a great show. We had a great time. We really want to thank these guys for what they do and what they represent. All links will be down in the description. Thanks for coming along with us, folks. This is Wade Rush. We'll be back with another one soon. Bye-bye.